Ever felt like crypto traders are speaking an alien language? HODL through the FUD. There's a bull market coming. Wait, what? Don't worry. We're about to decode the secret language of crypto trading together. Let's kick off with market trends. A bull market is when prices are rising. Imagine a bull charging upward with its horns. A bear market is the opposite. Prices falling like a bear swiping downward with its paw. Now for some trading psychology terms. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. That panicky feeling when prices rise and you haven't bought in yet. Its evil twin is FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Negative news that makes people panic sell. The most famous crypto term is HODL. It started as a typo for hold, but now means hold on for dear life. Keeping your crypto despite price drops, believing it'll rise again. Finally, a whale is someone with enough crypto to move markets with a single trade, while the rest of us are just small fish. You're now fluent in crypto basics. Let's recap: bull market for prices rising, bear market for prices falling, FOMO for fear of missing out when prices spike, FUD for fear, uncertainty, and doubt causing panic sales, HODL for hold on for dear life through price dips, and whale is a big player moving markets. Every pro started here, and you're on your way. Now you can decode the crypto conversation. Remember, every expert started as a beginner learning these terms. The crypto world is less intimidating once you understand its language. Ready to test your new knowledge? Subscribe to our channel for more crypto explainers. For a deeper dive, check out our full article on crypto trading terms. And don't forget, take the crypto terms quiz in the CryptoNanny app to earn rewards while you learn.